Vlogmas will be out every day, period. Go watch, link in the bio.
Usually they're cleaner.
I think Walmart's bathrooms are cleaner than Target's.
Well, then none of them make clean then.
I don't know why Target just Target there. Everything else is popping, but their bathrooms are not, in my opinion.
But usually I have a good experience in Target.
I mean, you could try it. We're on our way to Target. My mom's in the car. Doesn't want to be on the vlog today. Maybe another day. But yes, we'll see what Target finds for us. Because you know when you go into Target, Target gives you what to get. That's how I always feel. You feel like that? I go in there with a list and I come out and it's just like, this wasn't on the list. I'm tired.
I thought of you when I saw it. It was on TV. Yeah, the advertisement.
We are back from Target and it is time for a Target haul. So basically I just got, I got some mugs. Let me just show you. So I got this body wash. It's a mousse body wash with coconut oil. It smells so good and I want to try it because it said, immerse yourself in a cloud of rich creamy lather with coconut oil. An indulgent and nourishing shower like never before. Hold up. It just smells so good and it feels thick. Stuff like this will be very bomb. Deep moisture, it just smells really good, really fresh. And I always know if something has a weird reaction or I just don't like this, I got my go-to. It smells so good. Then I got the Ollie Active Immunity Plus Elderberry multivitamins because the Rona is out here and we gotta stay vigilant. What's this? 3 gummies. Oh my gosh. The serving size is 3. I'm gonna do 2. Very chewy. So the next thing I got were some mugs. So I recently was in Target with my man and we were in the mug section just looking around and he was like, oh, I really like that mug, I really like that mug. And I was like, bing, Christmas. So I picked up a couple mugs. So the first ones that I got were the King and Queen. So cute. I could just see us eating breakfast together, so I thought that'd be cute. Then I got a D for Dominique and then a J for him. So I don't know, I think it'll be cute and I know he'll like it. Maybe I shouldn't. He doesn't watch my videos though. Hopefully he doesn't watch it. If he watches it, he don't watch my videos. So if he watches it, then that's what you're getting, babe. Next. So I've been really into hot chocolate randomly. I don't know why. But I usually use a third of the packet. So it's not too chocolatey, but it's just right. So over Vlogmas, I'm going to be doing I'm going to be taste testing these different types of hot chocolate. So this is a gift set. So it has the to and from bow. And basically it's just 4 different types of hot chocolate that come in one. So it comes with hot chocolate, peppermint, marshmallows, and caramel. Really interested to try the caramel one because I've never heard of caramel hot chocolate. So to go along with my marshmallow, I mean not my marshmallows, to go along with my hot chocolate, I got these cute little marshmallows with peppermint on. Especially when I try the peppermint one, I feel like combo is gonna be unmatched. I don't know. I was upset though because they only had 2, and I saw a whole bag like earlier before Christmas started, so hopefully I can find that. If not, then I'm only gonna be able to do it twice. Moving on, another Christmas gift, just some caramel corn. So he'll get this, and probably a couple other things. I haven't decided. I don't want to show everything on the off chance he does watch this. A lot of sweets in this video. So I got the Hershey's peppermint. So basically it's just like the white chocolate Hershey's bar, but it has peppermint. And I'm just really, whenever it's the holiday time, I love everything peppermint, peppermint mocha. So and I love white chocolate. Which leads us into the next item. The holiday white fudge Oreos. If you've never tried these, I don't know what you're doing. They're really good. It only comes with, like, the serving size is 1 because they're just so rich and creamy. And it only comes with 12 in a pack. So it's really like 1, maybe 2. And then after that, you're not getting any more. And then the last couple of things, I wanted to decorate cookies with my nephew. Because his birthday is coming up. So just for his birthday and for Christmas. So I got this star shape and this candy cane. And then I got sprinkles. So closer to the day that we actually do it, I'll probably get the cookie dough and then maybe some icing. But right now, we prepping. And I think that is everything that I got. Not too much stuff, but just a lot of random little holiday things. So stay tuned for the next part of the vlog. So it is now 8:12. I have been trying to get Vlogmas Day 6 up for the past like 8 hours. I feel like every day it's something wrong, but y'all, this is not going to discourage me. I will get these 25 vlogs out for you guys. But I've been watching Blacklist on and off all day. I just ate dinner and now I'm just chilling, waiting for this to export so I can upload it. It says it has an hour left to export, so hopefully I can just get it up by midnight. That's just the goal. Get it up by midnight, because if I don't, I'm going to be upset. Still going to upload it, I'm going to be upset. And this is Blacklist. If you know, you know. You should watch it. Highly recommend. I love Raymond Reddington. It has been an all-day process, literally, but it is finally up. I told y'all, I'm not giving up on y'all. Vlogmas will be out every day, period. Go watch. Link in the bio.